Hello everyone, Jake here again. Happy Monday with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have two NG models. You have the China Eastern A330-200, my bad, and the brand new airline, the Norse Dreamliner. Super excited. So let's get right on into it. Go ahead here, and we're gonna start with the good old China Eastern, the most plain and sort of boring livery out there, in my opinion. Really not that special, but the box is really nice. As you can see, very nice box. NG always does a good job with their box art. Registration B-5975. One of the newer releases. Picked this up because this is regular at LA. I believe still just doing cargo, but still. Alrighty, let's go ahead, open her up, take a look, see what we got. I'm super excited to have another China Eastern aircraft in my fleet. This time just the good old A330. Alright, here we go. Oh, no card. See, okay, this is what I'm confused about. Half of these models aren't coming with the little card that they're supposed to. I thought every model that we picked up nowadays would have the card in it, but I had another model, another NG models aircraft, I forget which one it was, that did not have the card. So I'm not sure what's up with that, because this is a newer one since they announced that. So are they just forgetting or not, like, doing it for every model? I'm not sure, but yeah, it's kind of strange. Anyway, I might have to reach out to them and be like, hey, what's up with that? Anyway, we'll go ahead and pull this model out. Oh jeez, it's really stuck in here. Oh goodness. Let's see, how am I gonna do this? I might have to like pop it out. Oh god. There we go. Alright. Really tight in there. Okay. There we go. Alrighty. Very nice. Put it off to the side. Bring this on in here. Very boring livery, so there's not a whole lot to go over with this, but let's get right on into it. Got the cockpit windows there with the wiper detail. Wipers there, a good detail. Got the SkyTeam logo. Got 7.5 there on the gear door. L1 door, Chinese. Some good detail markings all around here. L2, China Eastern. Got the nice, I believe, what engines are these? I completely forgot, but I do know what they are. I just can't think of them right now. But looking really good. Very nice. I know they're referred to as like the hairdryer engines. But yeah, so good details all around there on the engines. Got the little China East. Oh, it focused there for a second, but you can see that it's got the China Eastern logo there on the winglet, and on the inside as denoted on that side. Looking very nice. Main gear looking really nice. Don't tilt or anything, but great detail there. Have this little teeny tiny door here at the back. I don't even know if that's considered L3, but I guess it's just an emergency exit. Got the registration there, Airbus A330-200, and then the store here. Got the China Eastern logo right there on the tail. And then on this side you got the bulk bin door and the cargo door. China Eastern, same thing, and then you got the forward cargo door there. So very simple model, nothing too much to go over. Take a look at the underneath. Got some Chinese there on the wing. Got the registration right there. Same in the top. Got some Chinese there. And got the registration right there, which I assume that Chinese reads China Eastern, but I am not quite sure. So yep, very nice model though. Got the antennas, got the Wi-Fi boxes and everything. Some great detail and whatnot, as NG always does. No issues that I see with this one. in terms of quality control or anything, so very nice. Again, I highly recommend it. But we'll put this off to the side and check out the Norse Dreamliner. Super excited for this, as I never ever got to get a Norwegian aircraft, and now Norwegian, like their long haul and all that stuff, is unfortunately gone. Norse has basically kind of like replaced Norwegian. They're kind of taking on the same sort of, I wouldn't say the same exact business model, but a very similar approach in terms of doing like the low fares across the Atlantic. So they're starting up operations. Actually, at the time of recording this, their first flight from Oslo to New York took place the day before, on the 15th of June. Time of recording, it's the day after that, it's the 16th. This video will come out in the future on a Monday. Not exactly sure which Monday, but when you're seeing this, just know it. When I'm doing this, it happened the day before. But so they're starting up operations. They're going to be flying out of Oslo to several different destinations across the U.S. And then I know they're going to just kind of expand from there. But yeah, anyway, very nice box. Registration Lima November Oscar. Great detail in this box as always, and really nice box art. So it's Norse, and then Flynorse.com on, as you can see. Let's go ahead and open it up. I'll be curious to see if there's a card in this one. Don't hear it, but it'd be kind of disappointing if there's not, because that means NG is kind of slacking with their whole, like, every model is gonna come with a collector's card, you know what I mean? Oh, this one does have a card. Ah, see, that's odd. So this one has it. That China Eastern just did not. Weird. Anyway, I'll have to actually look inside that box, because maybe it was just in there and I didn't notice it. But here we have the model. Looking really nice. No broken pieces or anything, as you can see in the styrofoam here, which is always a good thing. Let's go. Ooh, that little plastic's deciding to run away from me. Let's get that. And let's get this out of the box here. Oh, very nice. Very, very nice. Wow. Quite the unique model, to say the least. Really excited to have this going forward. And then they're going to start operations to LA here, I believe, like something later this year. So, alrighty. There we have it. Very, very nice looking model. That blue just really pops. The blue and the white. It's not too much white, but also like a good amount of the blue on the tail and everything, and the engines. So, very, very nice. Let's go ahead here and zoom in here. So here we have the cockpit. 77-9 with the name, which I believe is, I'm not sure how to pronounce that. It's looks like R-A-E-T, so REET. Great. I'm not exactly sure. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure how you pronounce it, but I know they kind of name their aircraft based on like national parks and stuff like that. So I'm assuming that's somewhere in Norway or Denmark or somewhere. That would be my guess. Up there in the Scandinavian countries, that's like the name of a park or something up there. But you got the L1 door there, a nice little blue outline. That's pretty cute, pretty cool. Got L and O there on the gear door. Nice titles, Norse, and then Flynorse.com. L2 door, all the good details and everything. Got the good old Rolls Royce here, in blue, very, very nice color. Looking really good there, as you can see. Some great detail. Oh, focus, there we go. So engine's looking good there. Wings, as always, with NG's molds not flexed, perfectly done. Got the antennas up at the top of the Wi-Fi. Moving along, that L3 door there. Got the gear looking really good too. Moving to the back, you have the Norwegian flag, L and O, Dreamliner, L4 door there, and then this sort of beautiful like blue logo scheme on the back here, looking really nice. The various shades of blue I think are really, really nice. across the aircraft. You kind of turn it around, APU area. On this side, the only difference is now we got the cargo doors, the bulk bin, the main cargo door. There we go. Yeah, there's the forward one. So that's pretty much about it for this model. Very, very nice though. Love the colors. Really kind of pops the white and the blue. Sure, I know I complain about a lot about the white liveries, but with the blue on it, this really just like kind of works. It really pops, stands out. Let's take a look at the underbelly. Nothing too fancy, just the blue, white. So you got the registration there on this wing. So very nice model. Highly recommend it. Can't wait to see these in real life actually, like here in Orlando or LA, wherever they fly. It's gonna be exciting. So yeah, with that being said, that's gonna conclude this video with these two awesome models. We have the Chinese Eastern, that good old boring white livery, Euro white, and then this beautiful Norse with the blue and the white really contrasting, popping, standing out. I think it's fantastic. Also, something to know with the Norse is that like these little markings in the wing I think are kind of cool. I'm not sure exactly what the reasoning behind that is, but I think that's pretty unique. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribed, and stay tuned for more model unboxings and reviews every Monday. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.